In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can trade on pocket option, how you can trade binary options and absolutely always become out profitable at the end of the day. No matter how many trades you place, no matter how many trades you lose, you can always come out making money at the end of the day, no matter if it's even $10. And I'm going to show you the exact strategy on how you can become profitable every single day and just never lose money trading binary options. So with all that being said, I think that's all you need to know. Let's get straight into the desktop and hop on pocket options. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! Now guys, make sure you watch this full video because I am going to be live trading and I'm going to see if I could lose some trades on purpose so that I could show you guys how you can make up for these lost trades so that you can always become profitable, guys. And this strategy absolutely works 100% of the time and you will just never lose money off of trading ever again if you watch this full video. So y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe and let's hop right into it. Woo! Alright guys, so as you can see, we're over here, and if you don't know how pocket option works, let me just give you the quick rundown. So over here is all your currencies. This is Forex pairs and this is on OTC currency. Now OTC is a manipulated market some of the times, and how to avoid this is you would trade on these regular Forex pairs right here during the regular Forex hours. So you know, like 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. depending on your time zone. Sorry. Anyways, right here we have the candlestick times that you're going to be looking at, and when you are scalping these charts to find out which chart you want to trade on, you always want to go to the highest time frame first. So right now we're on the M5. So after you go to the M5, especially if you're trading on a low time frame, you want to just go down the line and see that the trends are all the same all the way through. So as you can see, we're on a constant uptrend, but the stochastic down here is starting to curve down, and we're starting to curve down, indicating that we're coming down. So let me just give you guys the 1 minute strategy. We're going to be trading on 1 minute candlestick times. We're going to go ahead and place a trade for the down option, and let's just see if this trade is going to be profitable or not. And if it's not profitable, I'm going to show you how you can always make up for your losses, guys. So while we're waiting on this trade, let me just go over my indicators. So we do have a moving average of a period 3 SMA, and that is going to be the red line that you see in just 1 second. We have another one, we have a 7 EMA, and that is going to be the green line that you see. And what this is just lines up in here. It's pretty blurry, you kind of can't see it, but this is the green line and this is the red line right here. And pretty much when these cross up or down, the chart is going to follow up or down. So right here, guys, what you see right here, we have 15 seconds left and we're continuing up. So let's go to the 30-second time frame, and you can see that the candle is continuing up. So what you would do is, you see that this is the obvious uptrend. Now what you would do is place a trade to go in the up direction, because you thought it was going to come down because on the stochastic the lines was curving down, so you thought it was going to go down, but we're obviously on an obvious uptrend right here. So what this means is that we're going to continue to go up, and after we lost that last trade right here, after we lost this last trade, now we can see that we're going to go in the up direction. So as you can see, we're going down right here. So if we don't continue to go up, guys, we're gonna go ahead and double down again on the direction that we know the chart is going to go. So we have 20 seconds left. We're very below our line right here. So let's go to the 10-second candlestick time frame. As you can see, we're at the bottom of the stochastic, so we're about to curve back up. And once we curve up, guys, this is when you want to double down on your position for the up trade, guys. And sometimes if you know exactly where this chart is gonna go, see, as you can see, we lost the second trade. We just lost the second trade as well, but you know, it's just a time thing. All right, so we did have a big red candle right here that took us out of that trade, but we hop on the 10-second candles, guys, and you can see that we're curving up. So let me continue while we're waiting on this trade. We have 30 seconds left. Let me continue to go over my indicators for you. We have the 200 EMA, and what this is this line right here. This is going to show you what the overall trend is. As you can see, on every time frame on this chart, we're on an uptrend, and the chart is above the line. If the chart was below the line, it'll be a downtrend. And then we have the Bollinger Bands right here, period of 15, deviation of 1.2, and these Bollinger Bands is just going to symbolize if it hits the upper, it's going to go down. If it hits lower, it's going to go down. All right, so as you can see, we just placed 3 trades and we won all 3 of those trades. So it cancels out these 2 trades, and then we still have a extra $100 on top of that. So just to show you that this method is not, you know, rigged or nothing, we're gonna do it one more time. Let's see, the stochastic is heading down, guys, but we're on an uptrend. So let's get it at the lowest point and let's see if we can get this trade to go up in the upwards direction. Now if it does continue to pull down, guys, we're still gonna get it in the upwards direction because we are on a overall uptrend, even on the 10 seconds. Because sometimes, guys, you could be on the 10-minute, right, and we're on a downtrend on this 10-minute. So as you can see, we're on a downtrend on the 10-minute. We go to the higher time frame, let's go to 30 minutes. You can see we're on an overall downtrend, but in the last, you know, 4 hours or so, we're going on an uptrend. So that's why the lower time frame is on, you know, the 1 minute time frame is on a uptrend, or even the 5 minute, right, is on an uptrend, right? Correct? Yeah, 5 minutes on an uptrend. And as you can see, we're kind of going above and below this blue line, meaning that it is, you know, trying to support and resist itself. So as you can see, we're out of the trade right now. 3 seconds left and the chart is going to keep continuing to go down. So as you can see on this 5 minute time frame, we are not yet curved down. So I still believe that this chart is going to go ahead and curve up a little bit more. Let's make sure we're correct on this 10-second time frame. As you can see, we're undersold over here on the stochastic on the 10 seconds, and we have a sniper entry even though I wasn't even on the 10-second time frame. So we have sniper entry right here, guys, and as you can see, we're going up. We have 42 seconds left. And when it does just shoot up like this, sometimes you don't want to necessarily trade again. But as you can see, the stochastic, if it hits this green line on the 80 right here on the stochastic on this 20, so I do have a 20 stochastic, 20 3 and 3, and then right here we have the 5 3 and 3. So the 5 3 and 3 is more of the immediate action. The 23 and 3 is where the chart is trying to go. All right, so as you can see, now we're profitable right here, and this is just how you make up for your lost trades. All right, so sometimes when you're trading on 1 minute, because we are on 1 minute time frames, the chart can, you know, do the unexpected. Even though we're on an uptrend right here, boom, we just had a lot of down candles. Doesn't mean we're not gonna continue to pull back up, guys. So you have to identify your trends, and if you do get taken out of a trade, you know, see, look at right here, this is the trade where we got taken out of. Boom, we went down. All right, we lost a trade somewhere up in here, but we know the chart is going to continue to go back up because we are on a short uptrend, guys. Still on the 5 minute, as you can see, we're going down. This is all down, big down momentum right here, but now we're on a lot of up momentum, a lot of green candles, and that's why we would just go with the trend, because most of the time the trend will be your friend. And as you can see, this stochastic is very, very, very oversold. It's actually curving up even more, meaning, guys, you could probably place a 2-minute trade for the down position because it is oversold. So if you go to your 10-second candles, you can see it's oversold, and we're going to start coming down. And I did get into it a little late. It did start going back up, so we're going to get into it one more time. Now if my prediction right here is wrong, and this is going to be the last trade of the day, but if my prediction right here is wrong, as you can see, we're going all the way up. We're just shooting up. If my prediction right here is wrong, we're going to place some more down trades right here at the highest point, because what if, you know, that wasn't the highest point where I thought it was? See, it looked like it was curving. Everything's oversold. Everything's overbought. So I'm thinking that's the highest point, but it's not. We went up some more. Now we're supporting resistance up in this zone right here, about to fall down because we're curving down on this stochastic. Now if you go to the 1 minute candlestick time frame, you can see that we're still heading up. So this trade is going to be close. As you can see, some of them are losing, some of them are winning. Let's go back to the 10 seconds, guys, because we do have 20 seconds left. So I'm going to show you guys just how it looks. And as you can see, one of them, well, that one's gone, but we close that one. So as you can see, my first prediction was right. We were just 1 second off on this trade right here, just 1 second off, even though it did go below the point. But as you can see, guys, You always want to go with your instincts. You know what's going to happen. We're oversold, overbought up here, too high. So you know you're going to come down again. And that is pretty much how you can never lose a trade. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, man, leave it a big thumbs up so it can get pushed out to way more investors trying to make the money the easy way, because this is Black Investor Group, where we do make the money the easy way. My name is King Latta. With all that being said, we out. Woo!